Engage the aircraft.
Check this area here.
Flawless. It meets the zero defect.
Down! Easy now!
Align to the mark.
Stop! Hold it there!
The first keel block is set. A new era for the People's Liberation Army Navy begins today. Easy now, easy. A few more centimeters down.
Got it. Looks aligned.
The installation of the electromagnetic catapult system, or EMALS, or significant technological leap.
The active phased array that can simultaneously track hundreds of targets.
Check alignment. Maintain stability. Starboard side clear. Lower the payload. Roger. Lowering now. Secured.
The Chinese aircraft carrier, Fujian, is officially launched.
the Eiffel Tower on its side. An aerial view confirms the impossible scale.
Helm, maintain course 090.
Course confirmed, 090. Engine speed, ahead 20 knots. Clear the foul line. Catapult pressure check complete.
Final approach, launch the aircraft. Go, go, go! They attempted to obscure the flight deck activity, but the commercial imagery confirms the catapult installation. The timeline has accelerated.
Scale comparison. Fujian 316 meters, 80,000 tons. USS Nimitz 33 meters. 1.
The evolution of China's carrier power, the Liaoning, the Shandong, and the new Fujian, showcasing the fastest naval buildup in modern history.
Clear the catapult, launch in 5. Final approach, wire 3. Move it, clear the deck!